Navelwort, Umbilicus rupestris. This plant species, like so many others, has gone through numerous name changes over the centuries, going by various Latin names including Umbilicus veneris vulgaris, cotyledon, and terrae umbilicus, to name but a few. Linnaeus eventually nailed it down to cotyledon umbilicus veneris, first suggested by Clusius in the 16th century. Today the most widely accepted common name is Navelwort, but it has been called wall pennywort, hipwort, kiddywort, and others. Depending on the favourability of the habitat, Navelwort can grow anything from 6 inches to a foot high. It likes moist, perpendicular walls and banks, intersected with fissures and rocky material, and is rarely found in traditional field-bordering hedgerows, unless there is a specific microhabitat which mimics its preferred conditions. One 18th century herbalist says of it, "Our great Navelwort has many thick, flat and round leaves growing from the root, every one having a long footstalk, fastened underneath, about the middle thereof, sometimes a little unevenly waved about the edges, of a pale green colour, and sometimes hollow on the upper side like a spoon or saucer. It grows very plenty in many parts of England, but especially in all the west of this land. It has been found to grow plentifully in Northampton, almost upon every stone wall about the town, as also at Bristol, Bath, Wells, and other places upon stone walls." Eventually a rather peculiar-looking, almost sinister flowering spike develops, and then a mass of pale green, bell-shaped flowers, around June or July. For the forager's kitchen, it is the leaves, with part of their rounded stems attached, that are the focus of attention. The foliage doesn't really have a marked taste, except, perhaps, having an unobtrusive green peapoddy flavour. That said, sometimes there is a bitter aftertaste in older leaves, so aim for ones that are about 2 to 4 centimetres wide. The leaves are succulent and almost spongy internally, and do not, in my opinion, make a good cooked vegetable ingredient, the structure of the leaves collapsing into a soggy mass even when stir-fried. The leaves are much better used as a salad ingredient, where their cool succulent texture complements other salad materials. The plant is diuretic, so be warned, and in the past the leaves were used in poultice form to ease gout and sciatica and to cure green wounds. If you're interested in knowing more about wild foods, check out the course schedule on the Wild Food School website.